Hey everyone, this is Rick with UTV Source, and this is the Viper Machine gated shift system. We're going to be installing it today in this Pro R. Check the website to see what's available for your make and model. It's pretty cool. Made in the USA, billet machine, really nice tool paths. You're gonna notice right off the bat, versus the OEM factory shifter, you're no longer shifting in a straight line. You don't have to look down and see what gear you're in. The gated shifter is designed so it falls into a new slot within the gate on each shift. You shouldn't have to look at where you're shifting anymore. Super smooth, very nice, and that's the value in a gated shifter. Then we're grinding your gears. Check the website to see if one's available for your make and model.